Today's video is Rick breaks the fridge / throws it at his mom / grounded. Requested by All Things FNAF. Enjoy this new video, guys.
I am going to break the fridge in the kitchen. First, let's go to the kitchen. Alright, I'm in the kitchen. Now, time to break the fridge. Yay, I broke the. Aw shit, my mom is coming. I'm in bigger trouble now.
Rick. Why the fuck are you out of your... Ouch, ouch, ouch. Rick. How dare you break the fridge and throw IT at me? That's IT? You are so fucking grounded for 16 weeks. Go to your room now, and I am telling your dad about IT when he gets home from work this evening. Go. Now.
Wah triple A triple A triple A.